In love with you, girl, you know you're my baby.
Am I going too fast? Nah, if I was moving too fast, they would definitely comment down below for sure, right? But I just don't got the heart to leave nobody behind, man. So, what's good, y'all? What's poppin'? I'm back teaching y'all everything y'all need to know about them stocks and them options, all right? Today, I'm coming to y'all with this quick little video on the basic components of the candlestick, all right? In the later video, I will be telling you guys what candlestick patterns I personally use when I'm day trading, swing trading, or when I'm just looking for good entry points and stocks that I'm invested in, all right? So with that being said, if you already know the basic components of the candlestick, listen, man, still watch the video through. There's always something to be learned in this content, all right? And if you're still a little bit iffy on the candlestick and how it all works, I'm pretty sure by the end of this video, you will be a lot more confident when you go back to read your charts in the stock market, all right? So y'all know I ain't trying to keep y'all out here too long in the intro, man. So this that part of the video where I need y'all to hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button somewhere, man. And go ahead and leave a comment down below. Help the family grow, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, whoever supported me so far. And with that being said, man, go ahead and enjoy this video on the basic components of the candlestick, man. I'm out. All right, y'all. This right here is a candlestick, man. You got your little bottom. You got your little flame at the top. I ain't need to go play with y'all, man. Listen, these right here, these are the type of candlesticks that I'm trying to teach y'all about today. I'm pretty sure you probably seen these on RobinHood or Webull or even Forex or any type of investments that you probably are making, right? And if you're anything like me, man, when you see these type of charts right here with all these different indicators and lines cluttering up the chart, you probably like, man, F this Webull junk, man, get me off of here, close it out, and you probably go on with your day, right? But what if I told you guys that you didn't even need all these indicators trying to help you predict the price movement of where your stock is going to go, right? And if we just took all of these indicators off, right, and stripped it down to what I like to call the naked price movement, then what you could do is you could zoom in and now you can really see your chart, right? You can really see what your stock is doing. You see some big green candles, some big red candles, you see some small ones. But let's go ahead and break it down so you guys actually understand what these candles even mean, all right? So what you got right here is a bullish candle. It's usually green, signifying an uptrend or an increase in price movement, right? And then you have your bearish candle, which is usually red, signifying a downtrend or a decrease in price movement, all right? Now, both of these make up what we call a candlestick chart, all right? Just like in the example that I showed you guys earlier. So let's go ahead and tap in so I can show you guys the similarities and the differences and how these candlesticks are actually formed, all right? So you see right here, I took a bullish increasing candlestick. And if you notice, anytime we're talking about these candlesticks, we're talking about a specific time frame, all right? So at the top of the screen, I got a 5-minute stamp right there, signifying that this candlestick represents the price movement of a stock we're looking at for a 5-minute time period, all right? So with that being said, I broke the candlestick up into 4 different sections, so it's easier for you guys to understand how these candlesticks actually form, all right? So first things first, man, you got your opening. This is the price of your stock at the beginning of your 5-minute time frame, all right? And then you got your close, all right? This is the price of your stock at the end of your 5-minute time frame, okay? And both of these together make up what we call the body of the candlestick, all right? Now, typically, you'll see these lines that come from the body of the candlestick, right? These are what we refer to as the wick, right? They have other names, but since we're talking about candlesticks, we're going to refer to them as the wick, all right? Now, these just simply tell us the high and the low of our stock within this specific 5-minute time frame, all right? Now, all this is saying that at some point in time, our stock was all the way up here within this 5 minutes, and at another point in time within this 5-minute time frame, our stock was all the way down here, all right? That's basically what our wicks tell us. It tells us the high and the low of our stock within that specific time frame, okay? And just to avoid confusion for myself, the way I like to look at any candle is open, high, low, close, meaning this is where the stock opened up and then it went all the way up here to meet its high. And then at that same time, it came all the way back down here within that time frame and it finished out to close right here, right? So open, high, low, close. And it's the same thing vice versa when we're talking about a decreasing bearish candle, right? The only thing that's going to change for us is our opening and our close, right? Since we're now talking about a downtrend, we're opening at the top and we're closing at the bottom, right? It's different when you're talking about an uptrend, you're opening at the bottom and you're going up and you're closing at the top, right? Everything goes for a bearish candle stays the same. The high is still the high during that time and the low is still the low during that time, all right? The only thing that's going to change for us, right, is our open and our close. And last but not least, what we have right here are what we call Doji Counters, all right? Now, doji candles are typically formed when the open and close of a candlestick are equal or very close to each other, right? Showing us that there was neither an uptrend or a downtrend during that specific time frame, and the price of the stock pretty much finished off stagnant, all right? Now, traders typically use doji candles to show some type of reversal in the trend of their stocks or when they're doing their technical analysis, all right? These candles can be very important when you're doing trading or looking for good entry points in investments that you're looking at, all right? So keep these in mind when you go back and look at your charts, all right? And just like I said earlier, family, it's so many different type of doji candles and candlestick patterns that we could talk about all day, right? But I'm gonna say that for another video, for another time. Let's just go ahead and finish this video off with identifying some of these candles on a chart, just like the one we seen earlier, all right? So now that we're back here at the chart, let's go ahead and see if we could find some of those candles that we just looked at previous in our examples, all right? You will see, if you look over there to the right, we have two bullish and bearish candles over here, right? Just like in our examples. So let's go ahead and see if we could find some dojis and two reversals, all right? We got one right here. You will see you have a doji and two reversal bullish candle, right? You also have one right here. We'll say you have another doji candle leading into a downward reversal, all right? So these are just some examples that I just wanted to show you guys of how you can identify these candlesticks on the charts that you are looking at when you're investing. So with that being said, guys, man, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. This was just a quick example on some of the basic components of the candlestick, man. If y'all want another video with me going more in depth about what type of candlestick patterns I use, man, leave a comment down below. Help the family grow, man. I love y'all. Until next time, man, we out. Peace.
Yeah, but yeah, alright, yeah, but